Evening all, welcome back YouTubers. So first of all, a fresh coffee. Yeah, lovely. As always, start the video with a coffee. Tonight's episode is simply the Mark 1 red burner behind me gets a Raleigh R seat nut and a close-up of a bike. Let's do it. Right, okay, so I got this at I bought this on Marketplace. It was with a girls or like a kids rally bike, sold in the same factory as burners, well, made in the same factory as the burners, and sold in the same shops. It came with this, so I paid a tenner for the bike. This came with it, so let's put that in there, tighten it up. It's nice to see a bike like this getting fitted with original parts. You know, recycled parts, in theory. Yeah, I'll move a bit closer so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, nice to see it, rather than like these reproduction new bits they're now selling. Nothing wrong with them, but it's just nice to see. Hang on, you're a bit high up there, aren't you? It's nice to see some original parts getting fitted. Now, if this bike was going to get restored to its former glory, then I'll go the whole hog, wouldn't I? You know, I would get a brand new R-nut and that kind of thing, but that's not what's going to happen to this bike. Hang on, it's a bit too tight. That's it. Nice to see an R-nut going on this bike. Now, those who collect burners or like to see burners will know it's so nice to get these little things back on a bike like this. It makes me very happy indeed. It really does. So that's done. Next job is to... Hang on, we're stuck. Hello, mannequin. Yeah, how you doing? Right, next job is I'm going to show you these. Now, these are original, there it is, chain tensioners. So they hook onto there. Both sides, original. Now, you saw the first wash on this bike, but you never really saw me clean up this. This chain ring was the colour of that cloth. It was like this sort of colour on the wheels. Some really bad rusting. So what I've done is I just put some auto sole. Again, auto sole. It's perfect. But I didn't fully finish it off with the cleaning. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put you in there and we can see that getting cleaned up again. Bit of auto sole on there and just get this looking even brighter. Don't be afraid to use too much auto sole, because that tube cost me, I think it was something like £4.40, free delivery. And they really do a good job. They really do. But this chain was caked in oil. Thick oil it was caked in. And by just persevering, that chain to me doesn't need replacing. That is standard chain. Never been broken. It's just a standard chain. And it's getting left on. And it's got that famous Raleigh click. If I can get that click for you. Hang on. That all you guys know. Yeah, a lovely click that's got. Really, really pleased with this bike now. It's coming on nicely. So got a nice, fresh, clean chain ring. We got an iron up. Now my next question to you guys is, now this pad is rusty. The bolts are rusted out, which has split that, which is a damn shame. But I'm not going to try and release these bolts. So my question to you is, I keep that frame pad, I keep this frame pad, and this one needs repair on it. Now, do I repair this frame pad or just get a replacement one of them? What are your thoughts? Let me know. Also, the tyres, well, the tubes hold air, but do I keep that tyre on? Hang on, let's get coffee out of the way. Do I keep the tyre on and keep the front one yellow? Or do I get two new black tyres for this? Or do I put on some mag wheels? Do I shop around for some mag wheels? Do I get some green ones, some white ones, some black mags? What do you reckon, guys? As for the paintwork, now nothing against these frames that are powder coated, shot blasted and resprayed, fresh paint. But those decals are original. That one's original. It shows its age, it shows its history. It shows it was once loved with battle scars. Yeah? The front brake pads or blocks are different colours. So that one's black. That one's black as well. Hang on. Sorry guys. The back one. That's it, the back ones are different colours. So that one's got a red brake block. You see that? That one's got a black one. It's got the brake stays. All original. That seat needs to go on, which is somewhere over there. Where's it gone? Somewhere down there. Yeah, looking good. Like I say, the brakes in the back of the car. Now these grips were very standard on these burners. I don't know. What are your thoughts on them? Keep them or get shot? I think they look alright. Yeah, they're okay. They're okay. So that's come on nicely. But what I will do to you now is I think I'll get a little close up of the wheels getting cleaned. Have a click. So as you can tell, I'm in the garage tonight. It's getting dark now, like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so you'll probably see more of this garage at some point. But yeah, I like this bike. It tells a story. It says a lot about our childhood, what we used to do. You know, I remember from school, because I grew up in Thetford, and where I lived was a massive common behind me. Massive common with dunes and streams. And I'd come home from work, well, come home from school, I'd dump my bag on the floor, Mum, what's for tea? I would go. Mum would be like, fish fingers and chips. And off I went. I was out. Oh, let's get some sandpaper, hang on. Stay there. You know, I would say, Mum, what's the tea? Fish fingers and chips. I knew I'd like half hour to go out. And I'll go. I loved it. Best thing about being a kid back in the day, back in the 80s, you know, you didn't come home to the internet, iPad, Netflix. You know, we went out and done stuff. We went out until dark, messing around on our BMXs. And that's what BMXs were. They were memories. And as long as you still got your state of mind, you can still have memories. So important. Just a quick, nothing too heavy, but an abrasive, very slight rub on these. I don't want to get them in. I don't want these wheels to be immaculate because then you take away that history. I just want them to be showing their age, but still cool. Imagine like you see these Volkswagen buses, don't you? Like these imports from South Africa or where they're from, and the sun has deteriorated the paintwork. Yeah, don't get it resprayed. Keep patina. You know, these wheels tell a story, and I want that story to live on for the next guy or girl. One of you guys watching can relate to this, I'm sure. Nothing against a full resto, but for me, that's not it. You see, some might get this fork repainted, but no. That, yeah, I can see that, right? That sticker there is original. I'm keeping it. You know, the forks, the spokes are all present. Just a slight rub to get off the surface dust and rust. Had a first clean, didn't it, as you saw, but I'm just going around it. So, question is, do I get new tyres fitted or do I keep the originals? The paintwork for me is exactly how it should be now. Yeah. That chain ring is how I want it to be. That click is just enough. You know, we don't want a full rebuild, do we? You just want to get it looking nice, but not mint. You know, there's still a little bit of dirt there, but, you know, just get it looking nice. That's all I want. Yeah, so that's the seat clamp on the red one. However, guys, yes, you are seeing it right. We have another Brady Burner Mark 1 Tuff Skyways front and rear. Original. One owner, shed find, stored, dust, grime. Original, rusty as shit. If you want to see this one get cleaned, get it restored, in my sort of restored sense, get that rust cleaned off, you've got to subscribe. I will not get this cleaned up and show you more until I've got more subscribers. thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed. I genuinely mean it, honestly, from the bottom of this coffee cup. Yeah, I mean that. You know, I can't put out new content unless I get that inspiration. And by seeing the subscriber and the views go up, gets me motivated. And then I go and find them. I found this. I didn't find it, I bought it. But I searched for it and I knew where it was. And I pestered the person. Please buy it. Please, can I buy it? Can I buy it? No. I'm keeping it. And one day he just said to himself, oh what, maybe I'll move it on. And that's what he did. I bought it. Right. That's it for now. Again, thanks so much for all the support. The art sale video done really well. When he went out on Thursday. No, when are we now? Tuesday. It went out Sunday night. So a day and a half. And yeah, really pleased with that. So thank you. Thumbs up to everyone who's watched that. And left a comment or a like. Do appreciate it. But for now, until the next time, hang on, something I've got to do. Stay there. That's it. When was the last time you guys saw a mag yellow burner wheel do this? Until next time, folks, stay safe, keep well, and subscribe. Till then, out.